Mom? Why you crash my car? Mom? Why you crash my car? Now for the bloopers. Why you crash my car? 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 Beep. So what you're trying to say to me is you crashed my car. Mom, look at me. Why you crash my car? The peoples out here are crushing my cars. Why you crash my car? Why you crash my car? Mom, why you crash my car? No, you crashed my car. No? She crashed
my car and my bike.
She's. I secretly crashed her car. Don't tell her. But she crashed my car too. You crashed my car.